unpopular opinion. You don't need a side hustle. You don't need to monetize your hobby. You don't need to grind yourself into exhaustion. You just need to stop your money from leaking. I know that's not what the internet tells you. Every day it's the same message. Work harder, do more, start a business, hustle until you make it. But here's what nobody talks about. Most people are already making enough. They're just losing it without realizing. Ghost subscriptions charging you every month. Hidden fees buried in your statements. Small purchases you forgot about the moment you made them. These leaks don't feel like much. $10 here, $15 there. But over a year, that's hundreds, sometimes thousands, just draining away while you're busy chasing more income. What if the answer isn't earning more? What if it's keeping more of what you already have? That's financial minimalism, the anti-hustle approach to building wealth. Instead of adding more to your plate, you subtract what's draining you. Instead of tracking every single penny like some exhausting full-time job, you focus on the big leaks. Traditional budgeting tells you to log every coffee, every grocery item, every tiny purchase. That's not sustainable. Nobody wants to do that, and nobody sticks with it. Financial minimalism says forget the pennies, find the dollars, the subscriptions you forgot, the fees you didn't notice, the automatic charges running in the background. A 5-minute audit can save you more than a month of penny tracking ever will. The Finance Reset Toolkit is built for this. One quick audit, see everything that's draining your account. Ghost subscriptions, hidden fees, all of it. Then you decide, keep it or cancel it. No guilt, no judgment, just clarity. And once the leaks are plugged, you automate. Set up your savings to move automatically. Set up your bills to pay themselves. Build a system that runs without you stressing over it. That's peace of mind. That's financial minimalism. That's the 2026 way to build wealth. Not more hustle, less leakage. Not more hours worked, more money kept. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, a debt payoff planner, a savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that simulates your financial future. But most people start with the 5-minute audit because finding money you didn't know you were losing feels like giving yourself a raise. Stop grinding. Start auditing. Automate your peace of mind. Link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.